days of the year. Snow, freezing rain, and crashes caused headaches on highways. Flying was just as frustrating.
I mean, it kind of sucks that today it had to be first day of the pretty big snowstorm.
Delays and cancellations at major airports across eastern Canada put holiday plans on hold for thousands, even before the worst of the storm.
This will be one of the most heaviest ice rains or freezing rain that we have seen in decades. And so I think it's important to be respectful of it.
Freezing rain warnings are in effect across much of southern Ontario, into Quebec and parts of the Maritimes. With conditions expected to deteriorate overnight, there is concern even more snow and ice could bring down tree branches and hydro lines, threatening widespread damage and power outages.
This storm is unfolded just as it was scripted, and there's nothing to suggest the second wave, which is the big one, the potent part of it, will be any different.
Conditions have already made walking an adventure.
It was pretty scary. It's an ice rink out there, actually.
Ignorant skating on the road.
And in Bradford, Ontario, that's the case.
Wow. This is insane.
And into or out of eastern Canada is urged to check their flight status before heading to the airport. WestJet and Air Canada have waived some cancellation fees for destinations expected to be hit hard by this storm. So for travelers hoping to get home for the holidays, it could be a very long trip. Sandy.
All right.